Let's learn about converting liters to milliliters. Our question here is to convert 4.5 liters to milliliters, and our hint is 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So let's write down our first part here, 4.5 liters. We want to multiply it by our conversion factor here. We have liters to milliliters, 1 liter to 1,000 milliliters. I'm going to write this as a fraction, but I'm going to put the liter part on the bottom. 1 liter, right, and the denominator is equal to 1,000 milliliters. And what this does, by writing it this way, I know I can cancel out my units that are liters, leaving me with 1 unit left, which is milliliters, and that's what we're looking for. So now we're multiplying this out. 4.5 times 1,000 is 4,500. Our units are milliliters. Now we're dividing by this 1. Don't need to write that. And now we have our answer in milliliters. 4.5 liters is equal to 4,500 milliliters. I hope you learned something here about converting liters to milliliters. And as always, thanks for watching.